Hello again to all my friends. We had some technical difficulties earlier, but we're going to try this again. It is Mr. Benjamin here, and a really big smiley face, because apparently I didn't have one last time, but you know, it is what it is. And this is our student review for BEDMAS. Now, we already have some of this started off. It's okay, you can go in front of the screen, it's fine. Oh, by the way, students, everyone want to say hello? Hello. You got to put more enthusiasm in that hello. Hi. There you go. Okay, that's better. Anyways, so we have BEDMAS. BEDMAS is listed in this specific order for a reason. It goes brackets first. Oh, I have issues writing first. There we go. Exponents are second. Division is third, but it's also shared with multiplication. Whichever one comes first, left to right. And that goes the same for addition and subtraction. They are, oh, that looks really, I can't do those squiggly brackets that well. There we go. This is fourth, addition and subtraction, but it's left to right, whichever one's first. Alrighty, we're going to get into our first example. Student A would like to try. Or student 1, whichever way we want to distinguish. That's okay, you're going to go for it.
Okay. 5 plus 20.
Yeah, equal sign. We always start off with the equal sign. Yeah, 3.
Do we still have to put
Well, you don't need it if you do evaluate, but tell us what you're doing.
times 25?
Sorry.
Take away 4.
So where did that 25 come from?
The 5 plus 20 in between.
Why did you do 5 plus 20 first?
Because that's the order of BEDMAS.
But why is that the order of BEDMAS? Like, what is it about 5 plus 20? Because it is in...
Or
It's in...
bracket.
It's in brackets. That's why we did 5 plus 20 first. There we go. Now we have 3 multiplied by 25 minus 4 squared. What should be our next step?
You start with 4 squared.
4 squared, absolutely. So we're going to write...
Underneath. 4.
4 squared is 4 multiplied by 4, you're right.
Which equals 3. Do we still have to use take away? I'm so confused. Which is 16. Is that
Alright, where are we? Okay, so now we have 3 multiplied by 25 minus 16. What's our next step?
multiplication?
Yep.
3 times 25.
Which is?
Oh, I know. 75.
75, that's right.
75.
You want to pick your own question?
Take away 16. What is that?
Yeah.
75 take away 16.
Well, everything's under the disorder, right? So you have to evaluate everything.
16.
Alright, where are we at?
What? 75.
75 minus 16. Now it's a tough one to do in your head, but give it a go. Well, maybe a student has an answer for you. Well, that says 0. Are you sure it's 0?
59.
Oh, okay. It was there. Never mind. Sorry.
Is that the
there it is.
top?
Okay, 59. Very nice. So we did our brackets first, then we did our exponent, then we did our multiplication, and we're good. Now, we're going to get our second student volunteer to come up, and he's going to do a slightly different question. Well, it's going to be the same question. Well, not the same question. I'm just going to write it out. We're going to have 2 plus, I'm going to do a square bracket, 8
That's a thing.
plus, yeah, it's a thing,
Is that the same?
bracket 3, well,
okay.
let's do
Yeah,
3
I remember
multiplied
this.
by 5. And square bracket, and then the whole thing is going to be divided by 2. Yeah, give that a go.
Okay, so
Are square brackets and circular brackets different?
No.
Well, they look different. They're spelled different. No, but they're the same thing, right? So you have to do your brackets first.
what I have to do is start with the equal sign.
Yeah.
And then add the stuff Very quiet.
Mm-hmm.
And then 3 times 5 is 15.
multiplied by
Sorry, 3
Thank you.
multiplied by 5 is 15. And then add the rest.
Right, that's it.
Yep. And then 2 plus the whatever. What is the? Wait, yeah. Yeah.
What?
Undo.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Well, kind of. Keep going.
This would be 23.
23.
And then divided by 2.
Uh-huh.
And then
So 23 to...
2
Whoops.
plus 23 divided by 2, which would be...
If it was 24, it'd be 12, right? So
11.5.
11.5, very good.
Which would be 11.5, and then 2 plus 11.5, which is 13.5.
Very nice. Thank you, student. Let's get our next student volunteer up, who's apparently now saying no. Come on. All right, we're gonna take a little break. We're gonna pause the video. We're back. 4 plus 3
Times 6
multiplied by 6.
multiplied by bracket
Yep.
4 plus 3 to the power of 3
Oh, 4 to the power of... Sorry, say that again. 4 plus 3
to the power of 3
to the power of 3.
bracket 2.
Bracket to the power of 2. Ooh, this one's gonna be tough. Is that it for the question?
Yeah.
All right, you wanna come up and try it? Why don't you tell me what I should do first?
Okay, so you have to do the brackets first,
Okay.
because that's first in BEDMAS.
All right.
So you have to write out 4 plus 3 times 6
Multiplied by 6.
multiplied by brackets, and you have to do the exponents first.
So 4 stays the same.
Yeah.
So what's the exponent? 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 equals 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which equals... Is that right? 27, yeah. 4 plus 27, oh, this is going to be a huge number. And because we still have that squared on the outside, we're going to have to do something with that, right? So our next step?
And then next step is that you have to
Well, this is going to be a really boring video.
3
Yep,
multiplied by 6
yep.
multiplied by bracket 4 plus 27, which is
Well, are we going to add the 4 plus 27 first, or are we going to do the exponent first?
exponent.
Are you sure? We always do the inside of the bracket, right?
Yeah.
So the inside of the bracket, 4 plus 27. Hello, former student. You should go back to class. And second, get out. Out, 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 out. 4 plus 27 gives us 31. 31 squared. That's going to be a lot. 31 multiplied by 31. It's going to be like 900 and something or other. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 3, 3. Oh, jeez. 0, 3. I'm doing this wrong, aren't I? Yep. 3, 3, 1. Ooh? 3 times 3 is 9. That was my mistake, wasn't it? Yep. 9. And that's 3, and this is 9 as well.
Well, that 3 times, that 1 times 3, it should still be a 3.
The 1 times 3 should say... I'm going to erase it all and have student do it, because obviously I can't do multiplication.
Of course you can't.
I can't.
Alright, so 1 times 1 is 1. Eraser? What? How do I do this?
How do you clear what?
Teacher, how do...
You pick the pen. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Alright, so 1 times 1 is 1,
Yeah.
and then 1 times 3 is
Oh, that was
3,
still supposed to... Yeah, you're right.
and then I have the 0 there, the placeholder. 3 times 1 is 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9. And then add it all up, 1, 6, and 9.
691. So now we have our 31 squared, 961, sorry. 4 plus 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by... Wow, this is a crazy question. 961. All right, what's our next step? We've got 2 multiplications.
So,
Which one do we do first? The first one, which is 3 multiplied by 6. So I have 4 plus 18 multiplied by 961. Now, we could do that multiplication, but we're not going to. We're going to use a calculator. So can anyone tell me 18 multiplied by 961? It's a ridiculous number, isn't it?
it is.
It's going to be 20-something thousand. Equals 4 plus 17,298. So, and our answer for that, I'm going to write it up here because the Dockery sign gets in the way. 17,302. Wow. That's a big number. Oh well. So, I think we're going to cut it off there. And before we go, we're going to say, thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, hello, smiley face.
Subscribe below.
Yeah, no, you see, I don't say that stuff, but that's okay. If you would like to. Hi, Mom, that's a good one. All right, we're going to stop now. Bye-bye.